The Chevrolet El Camino is a name that resonates deeply with muscle car enthusiasts and classic car lovers alike. Originally introduced in 1959 to rival Ford's Ranchero, the El Camino became iconic, especially in the golden era of muscle cars during the 1960s and 1970s. Its legacy as a unique, high-performance coupe utility vehicle has only grown over the years, cementing its place as one of the most sought-after classic cars in today's market. The 1970 Chevrolet El Camino was one of the most potent vehicles of its time. It was available with a range of engine options, but the most coveted powertrain was the LS6, a 454 cubic inch big block V8. This powerhouse engine churned out an impressive 450 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful motors in the muscle car wars. To put this in perspective, it outclassed the 426 Hemi V8 from Chrysler and Ford's 429 Boss V8, both of which were revered in their own right. The LS6 was, and still is, a holy grail for muscle car enthusiasts, and having one in a 1970 El Camino makes for an incredibly rare find. While the LS6 engine was offered in other vehicles like the Chevelle, it was only available in the El Camino for certain years and configurations. The rarity of the LS6 El Camino increases its appeal, and most experts estimate that only around 500 El Caminos left the factory equipped with the mighty LS6 engine. The Fathom Blue 1970 El Camino you're looking at today is one of these rarities, making it an extraordinary vehicle in the classic car world. The vehicle in question has undergone an extensive 3-year restoration, transforming it into a show-stopping masterpiece. This El Camino flaunts a stunning triple blue color combo, Fathom Blue, which is one of the most elusive color options available. Out of the 32 El Caminos sold at auction over the past year, only 5 were finished in Fathom Blue, and this specific one is the only example with the triple blue interior and exterior layout. This further adds to the rarity and allure of this muscle truck. But it's not just about looks. This El Camino is a true performance machine. The numbers-matching 454 V8 engine is paired with a rare M22 4-speed manual transmission, which is one of the most sought-after gearboxes for classic car collectors. It's mated to a rear end with 3.31 posy gears, ensuring excellent acceleration and handling, perfect for cruising the open road or tackling a racetrack. Despite its raw power and performance, this El Camino still features luxury and convenience. It comes equipped with power steering, power brakes with front disc brakes, and an AM/FM radio, giving drivers a blend of muscle car thrills and comfort. Even more impressive is that it retains its original build sheet, adding to its authenticity and value. This particular Fathom Blue El Camino is being closely watched by collectors and enthusiasts alike because of its resemblance to a 1970 El Camino LS6 that previously set an auction record. That particular vehicle, which had the same color combination and drivetrain, was sold for a jaw-dropping $275,000 in January 2023. It's very likely that this El Camino, with its numbers-matching drivetrain and immaculate restoration, could break that record when it goes up for auction at the Mecum Indy 2025 auction in May. Classic muscle cars like the 1970 El Camino LS6 are becoming rarer and more expensive by the day, and as we approach the 2025 auction, the excitement continues to build. With its rare color combo, powerful engine, and exceptional restoration, this El Camino is poised to be one of the most coveted vehicles on the market. Whether it breaks records or not, it's clear that this Fathom Blue 1970 Chevrolet El Camino is a true collector's dream.